Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you on how to use GPT AI for slides. So starting off, you want to head over to the Google Marketplace, and from here you want to search up AI slides. And it should be this one right here. And once you have it downloaded, you want to head back to your Google slide presentation and click on extensions. And from here, click on generate slides. And there are two ways that you can generate your presentation. You can either input your own text with information, or you can choose a document. Today I'll be showing you on how to use the document one, so I'm going to click on from document, and from here I'm going to choose a file. Now I have a file which talks about the human brain and everything you have to know about it. So for now the limit is 2,500 characters. We're planning on extending that, but for now you're going to have to choose a document which has less than 2,500 characters. And once I have inputted that, I'm going to give it specific instructions. Now this is optional, but I'm going to give it instructions anyways. I'm going to say, make me a presentation which is comprehensible to anyone and they will understand it immediately. Once I've done that, I'm going to click on generate slides. Now from here, you can customize of what you want your slides to actually look like. So I can choose a font for my title. I want to make this Oswald, and I'm going to make it centered. And I can choose my own color. I'm going to make it neon green. And now I can also give it instructions on how many slides I want it to be. I want the text to be this. I want it to be on the left, and I'm going to give it 6 key points, and I want the icon to be this. Now for the image, I want it to be on the left side. And once I've finished customizing the way I want my slides to look like, I'm going to click on create presentation. Now it can take some time based on the length of your document, your information itself. And once I have finished generating the slides, I'm going to click out of here. And as you can see, I have my image on the left side, and I got the information right here. As you can see, it is the way I want it to look like. So this slide talks about the brain, the cerebrum, and the frontal lobe. What makes this special is that you can also go into further settings and change some things up. So if I head over to this gear right here, I can customize my default appearance settings. So what it will do is I'm going to, for example, choose all of this right here, the way I want my slides to look like, and it's going to be my default. So I don't have to go, whenever I create a new presentation, I don't have to go around configuring it the way I want it to. I can just configure it over here, and I'll just apply it in the default setting to every single presentation I was going to make. So I can customize this, and then click on save. And once I try to generate another presentation, then these settings will apply to that presentation itself. Another thing I can do is, if I were to lose my presentation, if it got deleted in any way or I lost it, I can just head over here to the history, and I can choose whichever I want to restore. I can just click on restore this presentation, and it will just regenerate it for you, which is really useful. And if you have any questions, you can head over to the question mark, and you can click on this contact form, which will take you to our website where you can ask any questions you want.